Did you know that you could call an expert to attack the reliability of a witness in a criminal case? But you can, and I'm going to talk about it in this video. Hi, my name is Lonnie Fish from the Liberty Law Team. We represent people who have been injured or accused of crimes. I want to talk to you a little bit about expert testimony and the identification process. Prior to 2014, there was a per se ban or bar of being able to call an expert to attack the reliability of an eyewitness identification. And then came a case called Commonwealth versus Walker. And Commonwealth versus Walker, it says that there's not a ban, and pursuant to Rule 702, the judge can admit it. But let's talk about the 5 ways that you can call an expert to attack an identification. Each of these 5 instances, there are statistically significant findings that these factors could reduce the ability for the identifier to make an accurate identification. They're all scientifically proven. Number 1, we're going to talk about the weapons focus. That is, if there's a case where a gun is pointed in the face of somebody, that they're most likely going to focus on the weapon, whether it be a gun or a knife, and the identification of the individual is less accurate. Number 2, cross-racial identification. A cross-racial identification, whether it be a cross-racial identification, is statistically less reliable than a same-race identification. Number 3, a high stress or traumatic event significantly decreases the accuracy of an eyewitness identification. Number 4, in cases where an investigator does not warn a witness that when they look at a photo array that the person may or may not be there, actually decreases the accuracy of that identification. And number 5, it's important to note that there is no correlation between the witness's confidence and the accuracy. If they say, I'm 100% sure that that's him, that's not the case. There's no correlation with those. So if you or a loved one has been charged with a crime, and in particular has been identified as the doer of a crime, you could call an expert to combat the accuracy. Feel free to call us at the Liberty Law Team to help you win your case.